Okay, ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to talk about different types of stirring methods for LC. So, a lot of us that have been doing this for a while, I don't know if it's focusing or not, but if you can see it, there's a stir bar in there, a magnetic stir bar. And that, in conjunction with a stir plate, is how many of us stir up our LC. Whether it's to aerate it or just stir it to use it because it's been sitting, we use this combination. Now, back in the day, before I had all my nicer stuff, we had to find other methods. What we call today broke boy methods. And this one here, I ran out of stir bars. So if you can see, that's a marble. That's a marble in there. Now, it doesn't have to be a marble. I prefer marbles. But it can be just a chunk of broken glass. It can be a piece of metal. I don't suggest metal, especially ones that may rust. It could be a rock. It could really, literally be anything you want it to be because you're going to run it through the PC and sterilize it anyway. But basically with this method, with the marble, I don't know if you can see it running around in the jar there, but you might be able to hear it. And you just do this a little bit, right? Shake it up, shake it up. And if you see, all the LC is suspended. It's not sitting at the bottom anymore. It's very effective, very inexpensive, and it works. Alright, that's it for today. You guys stay safe out there and happy cultivating.